If you're a fire sprinkler contractor, you don't need more chaos. You need speed and control. The goal is simple. Bring plan updates in-house so you can churn changes around faster, respond to jobs quicker, and stop losing momentum every time a drawing needs a small revision. In this video, I'll show you the exact next step we use to help contractors and new designers get moving without guessing what to learn first. You've seen it 100 times. Redlines show up, revisions pile up, and deadlines don't move. And the worst part is, when the change is simple, a head moved, a line rerouted, note updated, you're waiting on outside help, or you're stuck because the CAD side feels intimidating. The waiting costs time, costs jobs, and it creates stress for the whole team. So here's the reframe. You don't have to outsource every small change. What you really need is a repeatable CAD foundation. The minimal skills that let you handle common sprinkler plan updates cleanly and accurately. When you or someone on your team can do the basics confidently, you get control back. Faster bids, faster submittals, fewer bottlenecks. That's why we created the Fire Sprinkler CAD Basics Bootcamp. It's an 8-week contractor-focused program designed to take you from not sure where to start to building real drafting momentum. It's structured step by step and designed around practical sprinkler plan work. So you're not just learning random CAD commands, you're learning what actually helps you produce plans. Here's what you'll learn inside the bootcamp. First, we're going to go over 2D CAD basics so you can draw with accuracy. In addition, fire sprinkler design principles so that the drafting makes sense, and how to create accurate code compliant plans. And lastly, how to submit confidently to the AHJ so you're not holding your breath every time the plans go out. This then makes the foundation of everything else easier. If you want to be part of the next group, the next live session starts Wednesday, April 1st, 2026. So if your goal is to stop waiting on others and start building these new skills in-house, now is the time to get your next step locked in. Not sure if the boot camp is the right fit? Start with the easiest step. Book a free 30-minute boot camp fit call. This call is for you if you're tired of waiting on outside designers or engineers. If you're new and you want a clear starting point. Or if you want help choosing a practical CAD and software path for your situation. Here's what we'll cover in 30 minutes. Your current situation, your biggest bottleneck, CAD basics, layout workflow, calc submittals, all that. Then whether or not the bootcamp is the best step for you and where your timeline would be from there. And if this is a fit call. So if it's not a match, we'll point you if it is a match, we'll point you into enrollment. And if it's not, we'll recommend the next best step for you. So book your free fit call with the link in the description. And if you already know you're ready, you can enroll directly in the bootcamp. And we've provided a link for that in the description as well. Well, that's it, guys. Like and subscribe for more fire sprinkler design content. Thanks a lot.